Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw and paint realistic human lips. So the first step is to draw a heart. It's quite easy. We're going to make one side of a heart a little bit bigger as compared to the other side. Now we will be adding to oval shapes right under the heart. The right side oval will be a little bit bigger as compared to the left one. Now with burnt sienna, we are going to define the shape of bottom part of the heart. And then we will take that line a little bit further, and we will be defining the shape of ovals. We will take these lines a little bit downwards, and then upwards from both sides. Now we will join the ovals together, and make the shape of the lower lip. Now, with the help of heart, we are going to define the shape of upper lip as well. Now the central line of the lip will be darker as compared to the rest of lip. For doing that, I have mixed burnt sienna, raw umber and cadmium red. Now I have mixed cadmium red and burnt sienna for doing the darker area of the lip. For doing the lighter area, I will be adding the bit of yellowish, pink and zinc titanium to make the color lighter. For making the lower lip more darker, we will be mixing a little bit of raw umber, burnt sienna and cadmium red. To make the corners more darker, I'm using more amount of raw umber. Now I am defining the central line by mixing raw, amber, cadmium, red and lamp black. For the lighter areas, I am adding pale, yellow, yellowish, pink and scarlet. Now, for adding darker texture lines, we will be using burnt sienna and cadmium red. We will be using a O-size brush to add detail, texture lines. Now, some of the lines will be bigger in size as compared to the other lines. These lines will be absolutely random, as we know that our lips don't have straight lines. So some of the lines will be very much curved. To make some lines more darker, use more amount of burnt sienna. Now, for adding the highlights, we will be using an OO size brush, and we will do the highlights with zinc titanium. Some of the highlights will be very much visible, and the others will be just like normal lighter areas. Now I'm adding a little bit shine on the upper leaf by using titanium. Some of the area will have very much sharper highlight. We will add minor details by using our OO size brush. Some of the highlights will be very much visible to give it a realistic look. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below, and I will see you in our next video.